I'm not sure people are even going to want this. Hey, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And have you ever asked yourself that question as you're coming up with a new idea? Maybe people won't even like this. I think it's kind of cool, but would others? Do they think it's cool too? And there's some hesitation. So I'm real, wondering whether the public, people you don't know, would think your invention's cool too and would even want to buy it, pay money for it. And these are valid questions, but they shouldn't stop you. They shouldn't be questions that freeze you or tell you to put it on the shelf till later. It's an important way to think about innovation and moving forward, even if you're unsure, even if you're not sure that it's going to be a market hit right away. Having protection will give you that power to be able to speak clearly about what your invention is without the fear of losing it, by owning it and finding out once and for all if the public likes it too. So some examples, some really good ones from history. First one is Steve Sasson, the digital camera back in 1975. This is the Kodak engineer, Steve Sasson. He wasn't sure if people would want filmless photography. At the time, for those who might remember, you had to develop photography on a negative strip and produce a final photo. Filmless photography, he wasn't sure that would even be popular. But he patented digital camera in 1975, the whole technology. And as you know, the mindset shifted in the public later. The takeaway here is you can't predict demand. You protect it first and go build it. So the option for that demand can be there later. It's an investment in the future. Second one, OXO, OXO kitchen tools. In 1990s, Sam Farber's idea was to put rubber into the grip of a handle. This was revolutionary. It was supposed to be comfy and give more ergonomic, but he wasn't sure if anyone else would actually like an improved potato peeler. And from there, he said, you know what? I'm willing to take a risk. I think it's fantastic. Internally, my team thinks it's good. I'm confident. And so they filed a design patent on the handle. And sure enough, it's a massive hit. And it changed how kitchen tools are designed, spawning a new premium brand. So the takeaway here is even if the market seems unsure, a patent might make it safe to test an idea that could later redefine that category. Last example here I'll give is a Segway. You probably all seen these two-wheeled balancing gyroscopic systems. Dean Kamen invented the Segway. Now, the Segway was sort of a mixed bag in terms of its success, but it became the backbone of all the current hoverboards and products and mobility devices that are available today. So he wasn't sure what the market was going to bear, what the demand was going to be, or the right application, but he knew he needed to protect his invention to get it protected. And sure enough, it launched in the future. So you do the same thing. Don't be too nervous, too scared, not sure the market's going to take or like your product. Take action today. Start with a free discovery call at boldpatents.com. We're here to help you. I wish you a wonderful day today. Go big, go bold.